Hello there, welcome to the official demo of Ultimate POS. In today's demo, we will look into assigning products to a particular location. So if you go into the products, inside that we have add products. So in the add products, we have an option to select different locations where this particular product is available. So if suppose you are adding any of the product here, test product, and if suppose you want this product to be only available in this particular location, then you can select all the locations where the product will be available. But if suppose you are not assigning this product to any of the locations, then it will not be available in any of these locations. So here I have only one location, so I am assigning this product to this particular location. So after assigning this product to location, I can add all the different prices and all the different settings for this particular product. So after the product has been added to the location, if you will go to the list of products, here it will show the list. Here it will show all the business locations to which this particular product is assigned. But if you have not assigned the product to any of the locations, it will show a blank over here. But you can easily assign the locations by selecting these check boxes here, and you can select on the add locations, and you can select any of the locations from here. With this, the product will be assigned to this particular location. But if the product is not assigned to any of the locations, then it will not be shown, then it will not be shown in the purchase screen. Like if you will go to the add purchase, and if you will select any of the locations here, then this for this particular location, it will only search product from these particular locations. Similarly, if you will go into the add sales, here if you will search any of the product, then the product will only show from this particular location. But if any of the product is not assigned to this particular location, then it will not show in this location. So assigning of the location is important while adding the products. So if suppose you are importing the product using the import products, if you will go into the import product screen, like we have the options for assigning product locations. So it is comma separated string of business location names where the product will be available. So you have to provide all the comma separated business location names where this particular product will be available. But if suppose you have not assigned the locations for the imported product, what you have to do is you have to go to the list of products, and from the list of product you can like check all these particular products for which the location is not available, and you can assign the location from here. So I hope you understand the importance of selecting business location while adding a product or importing the products. Thank you.